Hi everybody, Jenny with Bet and the Farm. I owe you an apology. We've had an outpour of new subscribers and I appreciate every one of you and I'm so thankful of you. And I'm thankful for our previous subscribers, and I'm really sorry I'm not putting out a video for a while. The day after Christmas, well, let me rewind just a little bit. Our Christmas break when we went back to Indiana was not quite how we had planned. Anyway, once we got there, my father ended up passing away the day after Christmas, and it was pretty unexpected, and it's been very hard to deal with. So I've not been all gung-ho lately, and I'm sorry. I do want to get some new videos out and I want to show you things. I'm just kind of trying to figure out where's my best fit. Where am I going to best benefit you subscribers? Because you subscribe to us for a reason. Maybe it's my smiley face or maybe it's for what I can teach you, or just for seeing our property, and maybe it's all of it. So maybe I'll just keep working on, we'll just do all of it. But anyway, so, and then we've had a lot of other things. 6 weeks after that, Chad's grandfather passed away. So we had to make another trip back to Indiana, same funeral home, same everything. So it's been a rough 2020, but it's going to get better, I promise. Okay, the real reason that I wanted to do this video is something I don't think that people are thinking about, or maybe they are and don't care, I don't know. With this whole coronavirus thing going on, I know the media adds a lot of panic to things, and unfortunately, we're kind of creatures of following a little bit sometimes, I think, and so that is what it is. I just want everyone to use their best judgment, do what's best for them, do what's best for their family, and also, be considerate of others. So with that being said, many of you know, and many of you may not, we live in a tourist town. Actually, we live on the outskirts, but we live in a tourist town. There are 250 waterfalls in our county. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a great place to come, but not at this time. And I just read this morning on all of our We Are Brevard about all these people are planning on coming here this weekend, this weekend for the hiking and the biking and the waterfalls and stuff. The reason being is because we have, on Western North Carolina, we have the lowest cases. Well, for I think that was just for the traveling area, that we have some of the lowest cases, or if not any. I've not heard of any. So, and I did look again. It was we have no outbreaks here. There was one case found in Asheville, which is about an hour and some away, and it's actually from a New York City gentleman. They've not shut anything down except our schools. Our schools are closed until March 30th. And I know a lot of schools are closing, and I know a lot of businesses are closing and stuff. I'm not telling you not to ever come here, because it is a beautiful place. But those places are closing and stuff for a reason. It's to prevent people from getting out in the public. And just because you're going to go hiking in the woods or go to a waterfall or things like that doesn't mean you're not going to be around public. There's lots of public. Not only when you come to the town, you're going to be going to the restaurants, going to the gas stations, going to the stores. You're going to be going to the waterfalls, having your hands on the rails, or even when you're hiking, going on the, walking down some of the trails, there's handrails and stuff. This is not the time to come on vacation, and come to a different area or different state and go sightseeing. Like I said, I'm not saying not to come here. It's just, please think about it before you do, because that's not really something that you know, I'm not saying we're not inviting everyone here, just not at this time. You know, there's a better time to come, you know, and not put us at a higher risk. You know, the people in our town, you know, you're getting away from your towns maybe or cities because there might be more outbreaks or whatever, or you know, you don't want to be stuck in the house and you want to get out. Believe me, I get that. But this isn't the time to go traveling around to another state or go to another city, you know, because that is one thing also is in Brevard. There's a lot of retirement homes, there's a lot of elderly, and there's a lot of children. You know, just because it's a tourist town, there are people that live here, you know, and so that's all I ask. Just really think about it before you come. And I don't think a lot of people, they're not really thinking about it like that. That's one of the reasons why we love living up here in the mountains, because we don't go to town unless we absolutely have to. You know, we try to distance ourselves on a daily basis, let alone something like this goes around. Take care of yourselves and be smart. Don't be selfish. You know, just be considerate. Be a decent person. You know, help others if you can. Like I know there's a lot of people around here because of the elderly. They're delivering groceries. You know, to help them out. They'll go pick them up for them and things like that. You know, you could just leave the money in an envelope on the doorstep. Leave their food. You know, you don't have to go inside. Anyway, I promise I'm going to have some videos coming up real soon. I can't promise when. I just know that I'm going to have some coming up real soon. So I miss all you guys. I love you all. Please take care of yourselves. Be safe. And, you know, I'm not saying, you know, this is one of those things, you know, you gotta think smart and take care of yourselves, because it may not be an epidemic now, but it could be if we all just keep going willy-nilly. So anyway, take care everybody, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Thank you. Oh, don't forget, you can find us on, it's been a while. See, I'm out of practice. Don't forget, you can find us on Facebook and Instagram under Bet in the Farm. Talk to you soon, everybody. Bye.